This is a weird power plant. Ooh.
Present. Let's open it.
TM17 Protect.
That's a weird band name.
Just gonna put this in here.
Let's just continue on our journey. Ooh, another present. Whoa, okay, I'm pretty sure Pokeballs are not supposed to have eyes.
What are you doing?
How? Okay, I guess we're working out. You should probably warm up for one. So let's do that. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, let's get started with that warm up. So nice and easy. Jumping jacks. You know me. I love jumping jacks. Touch those hands at the top. Keep jumping the feet out. Keep it up. Nice job, guys. Almost there. We're gonna add one in front in 3, 2, 1. One to the front and one to the side. Keep it jumping. Almost there. Let's go for 3, 2. Last one. Nice job. Butt kicks. We love butt kicks. Kick that booty. I noticed in some of my videos, all of my videos, I don't really kick my butt, so I'm trying to work on that. Keep it going. Because my hamstrings are so beast. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1. All right, next up, right leg, drive it up and kick. Other leg, knee up and kick. We're gonna need to get those hammies ready for some snap kicks. So make sure they're nice and warm. Keep it going. Knee up and kick. Knee up and kick. Is that stuck in your head now? My voice being just like knee up and kick. Let's go one more. Nice job. All right, bounce it out. Get those arm circles going. Real big circles. And bring it on back. Getting that breath ready. Keep bouncing it out. And go ahead, crisscross in front. So every move today is going to be 35 seconds. That is it. It is explosive HIIT. Or explosion. HIIT, because it's a Voltorb. Alright, go ahead, bounce it out. Let's come down on the ground. We have mountain climbers. Getting the abs warmed up. Shoulders, right, hands right under the shoulders. And go. Drive the knees in. Keep that breath going. Nice job, nice job. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Bring it up. Toes facing outwards. We're going to sink it down into sumo squats. Getting the inner thighs, getting the quads. Keep that chest up. Sinking it, driving it up. Squeeze that butt at the top. Hee butt. Squeeze. We're almost ready to get started. 3, 2, one more. 1. Bounce it out. I'm warmed up. Are you warmed up? Okay, let's get started. All right, 10 seconds. So we're gonna start out with the right leg lunge. Now you're gonna stick with the same leg. So right leg, you're gonna tap it and then come back down into that lunge. So lunge, tap it, and come down. Tap it, come down. Keep it going, sink all the way down in that lunge. Sink it down, tap. So that right leg is really gonna start to burn. Now if this is too much for you, you can always just tap and then walk it out instead. There's always a modification. Keep it tapping. Ah, my right leg. It feels it. It's definitely feeling it. Okay. Shake it out before we go to the other side. So that was Eerie pulse. Now we have spark. 2 wide tuck burpees. Feet out wide. Sink down. Knee to elbow. Land soft 2 times. And then burpee. Then do it again. Sink it down. Knee to elbow. Sink it down. Knee to elbow. Burpee. Because why not? When in doubt, add a burpee. Keep it going. Sink it. Drive it up. Sink down. Knee to elbow. Land soft. Oh yeah. Down, up. Oh, what a good way to start this. I'm gonna have to put my hair in a ponytail soon. Left leg forward. Sink down. Tap it. Tap it. Woo! Almost there. Wait, I don't know why I just said almost there. Almost got, we just got started. So it's the Eerie pulse again. Sink it. Little pulse. The bottom. Very eerie. Keep going. Sink it. Woo! Oh, my left leg. Oh, my lanta. Nice job. All right. 10 grasshoppers. 10 high knees. Come down to the ground. I have no idea how that looks. Okay. 1. Bring those feet to the outside. 8, 10 high knees. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is charge. Charging up. 9, 10, and then throw in that shock. 5, 6, 7, 10. Oh yeah. Charging up. 4, 6, 9. Oh goodness. 2 jumping jacks, 1 star jump. This is Swift, those stars. So 1, 2, ball up, star. 1, 2. Remember, this move never fails unless sand attack has been thrown at you. I remember being like, oh, I'll be fine. It's 100% accuracy. Then I got sand attacked, and I was like, what the heck? That shouldn't affect Swift. Woo! All right, shake it out. Shockwave next. Squat jump forward, plyo push up. So, squat jump forward, back up a little bit. Push up, land soft. I know that wasn't very soft. So, plyo push up, backing up so you can see. And land soft. Again, this is explosive movements. Woo! Keep it going. Sink it. Remember, if you can't do that plyo, it's okay. Just do a push-up. Do it on your knees. Or take a break. Okay. 10 twist high knees. 1 burpee. Twist towards the knee that's coming up. 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Burpee. Because yeah. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Down and up. Keep it going. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I'm having fun. Are you? 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it up. 1, 2. Okay. We have magnet rise. Becomes immune to ground types for 5 turns. So 1 hand, feet out. 1 hand burpee, surf, Serve. Other hand. So most of the time is spent in the air. That's why it says magnet rise. Keep going. That's right, right. Right on. No earthquake. It's gonna affect us. Take that, Giovanni. Get my earth badge. Oh, shake it out. 3 rainbow switch lunges, right leg forward, 4 kickouts. Come down. So bring the arms up. 1, 2, 3, kick out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get those knees up. 1, 2, 3. It's only 35 seconds. 1, 2, 4. So keep going. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay. Side lunge hop, double team. So side lunge and hop. This is your nice little break. You're welcome. We'll do the other side soon. We're already going to be a third of the way done, guys. So make sure that left leg is straight. Keep going. Woo. Drive it up. Sink it down. Drive it up. 3, 2, last. All right, 10 seconds. Next up, we have narrow to wide squat with a wide burpee. So feet together, narrow, wide, come down, and up. Keep those feet out wide when you jump back. Something I forgot to do the first time. Narrow, wide, and jump up. So while I was switching the camera, I noticed my hair looked like a shark. So thanks for the warning, people. So for like 8 minutes, I was a shark. Keep going. Narrow. Okay. Whew. Next up, we have the other side. So side lunge. Remember, keep the right leg straight. So stick that butt out. Hop it up. Modification. Take the hop out. That's it. Sink it back, drive it up. Sink it back, and drive it. Nice little break again. Again, doing double team. Next one's gonna be really fun. Keep going. Oh yeah, legs. Hello, legs. All right, shake it out. Next up we have broad jump forward, squat touchdown. Start with those feet together, make an X. So, X with that body, land soft. Squat touchdown, walk it back, or run it back. Broad jump, squat touchdown, jog it back. Woo! We're flying! See, I told you this was fun. Up. That wasn't as far. We can do better. Oh yeah. That's what I call a broad jump. Sink it, fly it, and down. Whew. Okay. And we have charge beam next. So we're charging up. Box hop. So hop forward, 5-second fast feet. 8. And together, jump over. So we're hopping in a box formation. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Hop it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hop it aside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hop it back. Okay. are still burning, you're bringing your knee up, out. Stay on the same leg, try to hop it out. Knee up and out. So after those fast feet, your calves are probably gonna be on fire, especially with doing this move. Keep going. We're over halfway with your workout now. Hop, 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 hop. Oh my goodness, my calf. Keep going. Okay, shake it out. Guess what's next? Other side. Yay. Other leg, knee up and out. Okay, knee up and out. Oh yeah. So we're opening up that hip. Working on the abs, the calves, endurance. We're working it. Keep it going. Coordination. I know that's a lot of your favorites, a lot of yours favorite, whatever. Keep going. Oh my, oh my. Jab cross, Superman punch, sucker punch next. So, jab cross, left leg forward, right leg back. Jab cross, you're gonna bring the right knee in, right elbow back, and shoot it forward. So again, bop, bop, and then run it back. Jab cross, shoo. So it's so fun. You're flying. That's why it's called Superman punch. Yeah. Bop, bop. Hop. Try to get that coordination. Keep it going. We're flying. Bring it back. Hop, hop. Oh, that one's fun. Sonic boom next. Snap, kick, and dip. So, knee up, kick, and then dip. Other leg if you can, kick, and dip. One leg might take a little bit more thinking. That's okay. Bring it up high as you can. Keep it going, dip it, knee up, kick, and dip. Pop. Sound effects. You need them in your life. Bring it over. Nice job. Okay, squat. Oh, this one's fun. Squat to tricep, and then we're gonna do a half burpee. So sink down, push up, come up, and then half burpee. Come back up into a squat. Push up, come up. Really sink in those heels after every time you do that tricep and that half burpee. Push up. Ooh. Come back up. Almost there. Sink it down. Come up. Back. Come up. Ooh, yeah. Oh, my legs. Oh, my Lanta. Okay. Next one. Mogul side roll. So come down. So jump to the feet to the side, bring it back in a plank, and roll it. Hopefully you have more room than I do. Side, center, come down, and roll. Side, center, down and roll. This one's just fun. We get a roll. What's better than that? Come down, roll, come up. Okay, 10 seconds. All right, we have 4 knee pulls and a squat jump. Calm it down just a little. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, squat, and jump. And then get back into it. 2, 3, 4, squat down and hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, squat down and hop. Keep going. Whew, we are almost to the end. end. And at the end, we have a Tabata surprise. That is it. It's just Tabata. That's the surprise. I just gave it away. Oh, just keep going. Okay. So that's your little breaky break. 3 narrow squat side jumps, so feet together. 1, 2, 3, and then air lunge. So 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna look bringing it up. If you can't do that, just do a switch lunge. That's fine. 1, 2, 3. Hop. 1, 2, 3. Hop. So fun. I actually really like these. They're just fun. 3. Kind of feel like I'm a horse on a carousel. Hey, and then coming down. Okay. Sorry about this. 4 tie hops, but below the knees, singing the heels. 1, 2, 3. Come to squat. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's right. 1, 2, 3. On the squat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, your calves. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Your calves and your legs. I know your legs are part, or your calves are part of your legs. 1. Okay. Woo. 8 skaters. 1 burpee. Okay. Let's do it. So, skate 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Burpee. Come up. Start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Burpee. Yay. Keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do 1 more burpee. Down, up. Yes. Yes. Okay. We have charge beam next. We sleep for 2 turns, but not really. We're gonna jump rope. So the next 2 moves are gonna be a little bit easier. Nice little active rest. We're recovering our HP. That's health points for you non-gamers. Get those arms involved. Nice and easy. You can do whatever jump rope you want. You can double hop it, switch feet, jump side to side, whatever you want. Little combination. All right. 1 more before Tabata. So we're gonna have, it's like basketball. Back pivot, come up, shoot that Pokeball. Okay, back pivot, come up, shoot. Back pivot, come up, shoot. Little known fact, if you didn't know me growing up, I was in basketball in like 5th to 8th grade. That's right, such a superstar. Not really, I was okay. Keep it going. Hop, swing back, hop it up, keep that pivot going, back, hop, back. All right guys, Tabata time, we got 10 seconds. We got hidden power, donkey kicks. Come down into plank, drive the left knee in, and you're gonna bring it all the way up. So, knee in, come up. Knee in, come all the way up as high as you can safely. Almost like you're gonna get into a headstand. So you're doing this for 20 seconds. Probably should have changed that. 3, 2, 1, rest. 10 seconds, we'll do it 1 more time. I don't know why I didn't just put it on 20 seconds. I put it on 50. That's okay. All right, same leg. 3, 2, do it. Drive it in. Exploding up. Keep it going. You can always take the plyo out. Drive it up as high as you can. That right leg should be burning. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, my hamstring. Okay guys, we have the other side. Hidden power again. Let's do it. Right leg this time. Knee in, kick it up. Keep going guys, it's only 20 seconds. Explosive power. Shoulders, starting to feel it. 3, 2, rest it. Take my shirt, I'm gonna tuck it in. There you go, okay. Get ready, one more time. 3, 2, go. Last time on these hidden power donkey kicks. Who knew a Voltorb with no legs could have all that power? 3, 2, oh, owie, owie buckets. Okay, whew. Squat, cross knee to elbow. So, squat down, knee to elbow. Squat, knee to elbow. Sink it. Now this is a nice little break because our last move is crazy. 3, 2, 10 seconds. Whew, still recovering from those donkey kicks. Okay, one more time. 3, 2, sink it, drive. All right, our last move are gonna be grenades, AKA star jumps, AKA self-destruct. This is our last move coming up. 3, 2, all right guys. We got 40 seconds left of work. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. 3, 2, ball up, explode. That's it. This is the finale. 10 seconds. Keep going. Woo! Land soft. 3, 2, 10 seconds. Last 20 of the workout. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Finish together. Like Harry Potter and Voldemort. Together. Keep going. 5, 3, 2, one more. Woo! We're done. We did it. Oh my. All right guys, we finished our workout. Time to cool down. So while we're still standing, let's jump or step. The feet wider than hip width. Walk it out if you can, as far as you can without too much strain. Come down. Walk the hands back. Relax. Nice job. Bring your head up. Walk it forward. Hang out here. Just hang out. Walk those hands over to the outside of the right foot. Whew. What an awesome finish. Okay. Bring it over to the other side. Try to reach for the outside. If you can't, reach for the knee. That's fine. Bring it back to center. Walk the feet in. Woo, or jump. Slowly come up. Nice job. Okay, so let's get that left foot. Oh, sorry, that's a right foot. Wow. Try to keep the legs straight. Cross it over. Slowly come down. Nice job. Really keep the legs straight. But don't squeeze them. Don't squeeze those legs. Just relax in this pose. Slowly come up. Woo! Nice job. Shake it out. Other side. Bring it over. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, slowly come down. Woo! It's so fun. It's so fun. Alright. Slowly come up. Nice job. Roll out the shoulders. Woo! Okay, let's get that right arm across the body. Pull. Remember to relax. You don't want to hike it up. Just relax, look over the right shoulder. Breathe. Keep pulling with your left arm. Again, don't squeeze the right arm. Doesn't need that. Shake it out. And let's get left arm across the body. Pull, look over that left shoulder. Nice job. And go ahead. Shake it out. All right, we're gonna hit the mat. Oh, thank goodness, right? Hit the mat. Tuck those knees into that chest and pull. Bring that nose to those knees. Rock back and forth like a bird. All right. And woo. Left leg forward, pull the right knee into the chest. Breathe. Nice job. Just breathe. Again, relax the right leg. And go ahead, bring it over to the right side. Ayo. Keep it breathing. Why is my leg over there? There you go. Alright, cross over that body, extend the right arm to the right, over that right shoulder. Breathe. Nice job, nice job. Ayo. And bring it over and down. That was me adjusting my pants. Knee in, pull. Keep it breathing. Nice job. And let's bring it to the outside. There's a spider on the ceiling. Hello, Mr. Spider. Alright, cross over the body. Extend the left arm to left. Over the left shoulder. Don't you dare drop down, Mr. Spider. Otherwise they'll be forced to back to you up. It's our treaty. Alright, bring it back. And roll it over. We're gonna go into Arbok. So, hands by the chest, push up, walk the hands forward, press those hip bones down into an Arbok pose. Breathe. And nice and easy. Slowly come down. Hands right by the chest, curl the toes underneath, come up in a plank. You can come to the knees first. Shift that weight back, down dog, or down roll it. On this move, we're going to, let's see, okay, there you go. You're gonna bicycle out those knees, get in those calves, hang out there for a second. Give each stretch about 2 or 3 seconds. Especially after that jump rope, those knee ups to the side, etc. Bring it forward, come down, child's pose, relax the neck. Slowly walk it up. Whew, we're almost done. One more, cross the feet. Hello, feet. Alright, let's take a deep breath. Arms up. And exhale. You guys are done. Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! Don't do it. Yay! We finished! You guys completed Voltorb's Explosion HIIT workout. Thank you so much again for joining me. I really appreciate your feedback and all of your comments and the likes. That makes me so happy to see. Let me know what you guys thought about this workout. Also, please let me know if you're up for Generation 2 series next month. Otherwise, I might do something different, who knows? So I hope you guys have an awesome day. Remember to watch out. You never know what's a Pokeball and what is not. Okay, see you soon. Roar!